Okay, greetings everyone and welcome to the Week 4 overview for our FastTrack English class. Okay, first this week you're going to prep for your Tuesday Zoom class. You'll do that by reading the So What packet. It's in our college writing class. I don't want you to do the voice thread that's in college writing yet. Please wait to do that until after our Zoom class because your assignment that goes with this, so complete the reading like a writer assignment, that assignment will help you explore the rhetorical situation for each one of the 5 essays in the So What packet. And after you do that work and come to class on Tuesday and we go over all of that, you will be very ready to do the voice thread and understand what you're doing in college writing. So I want you to download and print and read the So What packet, but I don't want you to do the voice thread yet that's in college writing. Okay, you're going to complete the Reading Like a Writer assignment for our FastTrack class first, and then after class on Tuesday, you can go ahead and do the voice thread that's in college writing on the So What packet. Then Tuesday's Zoom class will have a DOL. We're going to focus in on the So What, where I'll talk about the difference between a moral and a thesis. Then we'll talk about the rhetorical situation for each one of the 5 essays in the So What packet. And then we're going to set up the focused revision conferences for Thursday's Zoom time. So speaking of that, for Thursday's conferences, you are going to upload the latest draft of your personal narrative to your group's discussion board. That will be in week 4 Zoom class Thursday. They'll be there, and you're going to upload that by Tuesday night at 11:30. So after Zoom class, I want you to go in because then you'll know who's in your group. There'll be 4 groups. There's 12 of you, so I'll divide you up into groups of 3. And you will know who your 2 partners are, and so you will put your personal narrative in the discussion board that has your name on it. So it'll say group 1 and the 3 names. So if your name is in there, then you will upload your personal narrative to a discussion board post in that discussion board. And again, that's due Tuesday by 11:30. Then, before our Zoom conferences on Thursday, your job is to follow the directions that's in the personal narrative small group revision. You see the screenshot of it here on the left side of the screen. You only have to attend during your group's time on Thursday, but please make sure you're contemplating and annotating for all of these different look-fors, and you're annotating, printing, and working hard to provide the best revision suggestions that you can for your group's mates' personal narratives. Please keep in mind that conferences are part of your FastTrack grade, and this will be the first grade in that conference folder for your overall grade. Thursday's conferences, group 1, if you're in group 1, and again on the discussion boards I'll label it group 1 with the names, group 2 with the names, group 3 with the names. I'll have that all labeled so you'll know what group you're in and what time to come. Group 1 comes at 9, group 2 9:30, group 3 10, group 4 10:30. Make sure you're on time. We only have 30 minutes. We'll spend about 10 minutes per essay. Okay, and that will take place of our Zoom time on Thursday. The other things going on this week is you're doing one other experience. It's called the You Did What. It's an adventure report. Please note that, again, Warner's book encourages you to go on an adventure, but because of the pandemic, I am amending those directions so that you can just write about any adventure you've had in the past, or if you are adventurous and want to go out, then you certainly can still do that. It is up to you, but you do not have to follow that part of the directions. Just make sure you look at the assignment direction sheet for other things that I have changed from Warner's directions and have fun with this one. It's a good review of description. Then don't forget, chapters 1 through 4 of Just Mercy are going to be due next week, week 5. You've known about that for a while. Hopefully you're done and you've done your dialectic journal and you're starting to work on your reflection paper. All of that is due on Tuesday. So I'll see you Monday and Tuesday in Zoom. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and we're going to have a great week next week.